All right, what is multimedia information retrieval system basically? You can define this by having at these things, okay? And I think I'm gonna add up, okay, journalism and TV broadcasting. So in multimedia information retrieval system application, basically, TV broadcasting content of video footage of everything, every news you take in every day. So definitely, like a TV3, Astro, all those things, definitely they have a very huge number of video in their store. I think 15 years back, all the video are kept on the storage by CD-ROM or tape. They are all this day. And I think it's still there. They keep it somewhere there. Say 1990 or 1980s. Okay, so all the CD-ROM tape simply still put in the storage, and recently they have a digital. So this amount of media basically is a very huge one. Let's say I'm gonna retrieve, okay, this one, journalism and TV broadcasting. Let's say someone come and say, I want I want a video some event back in 1990s. I'm not sure, 1992 if I'm not mistaken. There is an accident somewhere in Terowong Menora involving the bus, which killed 20 passengers. So how are you gonna find that video? Huh? Anyone? How are you gonna find that video? Someone asked like that. Huh? How are you gonna find the video? Someone asking that. Is the events happened something and in 1992. Okay, it's an accident bus and a few cars, which killed about 20 passengers. How do you retrieve that? So that is an example of retrieval in journalism and TV broadcasting domain. So in this case, journalism and TV broadcasting, basically, it is one good example of multimedia information retrieval system application. When you can see here, when there is a lot of images and video. Find me Miss Bun Side, won the game in the All England in what year? I don't know what year. So that's kind of query that you need to retrieve from this kind of thing. So it is one of the application of MRS. Another one is TV Astro and beyond. Okay, Astro Beyond and so on. I mean the television Astro now. Or Netflix. I think the best is Netflix. Okay. Since you're watching Netflix, Netflix is the best example for the MRS application. So as you see, the Netflix contain a lot of movies, a lot of genre, a lot of actor, a lot of storyline, many things. Okay. I'm pretty sure when you watch your Facebook, or anything, you're gonna see some trailer something. Where this movie come from? What are the title? And how do you gonna retrieve that on the Netflix? Okay, so the best way, you go to the Netflix and you just type something. So that's mean you're making a query to this application where you got a lot of video there. So another third one is YouTube and Facebook. This is the best thing. Okay, this is the best thing. So this is the best thing for example, YouTube and Facebook. YouTube is a million of video and Facebook is million of video and images and all those things. All right, so I think you can imagine here YouTube. Retrieving something from YouTube is quite difficult. Okay, And I think there is also other thing that I can put it here, such as I think can add up here. So what I think I need to put this up. Okay. Have you heard about YOLO, anyone? YOLO mean you only looks once. Okay, you only looks once. It is okay. Let me say. Let me give you some example. Okay, just hold on for a while and. Okay, this is YOLO. Okay, so it is also considered as a multimedia information retrieval system. Okay, you're gonna retrieve object and name it as a dog. You're gonna retrieve the motorcycle and name it motorcycle. So YOLO basically is a real-time object detection and recognition. Okay. So this is YOLO. When people say YOLO, it means this one. YOLO is an algorithm to do this. You only looks one. Basically, is the name you only looks one. Basically, the name is referred to the method of detecting the object detection. You detect the object, then you recognize. When you detect the object, what is this the object? It is an aeroplane, it is a vehicle, aeroplane, it is a fruit, it is a car, it is a person. Okay, and then he just go one shot, then he can detect, oh, this is the object. Object detection. Object detection, when you detect it, mean that you're gonna find it and retrieve it. Where is the object? So object you're gonna detect. So there is some, the algorithm say you only looks once. You just scan in only once, then you stop at the object. Then you can say that this box contains an object. To detect the object, we detect the object here. There is an object here, so we stop here, the green rectangular. Then recognize. Then recognize mean we have to name the object. What is the object? Okay, so in this case, horse is the object. Okay, and just now I set up performance. You say horse. Are you confident? How percent you confident? I'm 99% confident. The system say 99.5% I'm confident this is the horse. Okay, just the performance. Just now I said about performance in the beginning of the things. Okay, so that's basically YOLO. Okay, what else? Okay, so these are the thing. Okay, application that require that has multimedia information retrieval system and YOLO and you can have fine. Okay, another one, good one. Okay, good one. Good one is gallery. Okay, gallery. So you see here handphone, okay, and you're gonna see your gallery there. So anyone can tell me how many images are there in your gallery of your handphone? Huh? Anyone? How many thousand are there? Roughly. How many? Roughly in your handphone? 2,000. I think more than that, isn't it? So can you find one picture? One picture that someone make a joke. Someone make a joke on something. It's difficult to find, you know. I normally find out that when I want to post something, I want to post a teh tarik, you know, a picture of teh tarik. I'm looking at it and browse one by one from the top until the end. Browse. I didn't find it. So at that particular moment, I don't post it. Tomorrow, when I'm looking something else, I found the teh tarik. But by that, it's too late already. Okay? You don't, I mean, so that's your gallery handphone contain of 2000. Your gallery of your handphone contain 2000 images. I think more than that. Okay. Then this 2000, if you don't have information, multimedia information retrieval system, you don't have a good retrieval system, gonna be difficult for you to find something. Okay. All right. So this is I think you got the idea what is a multimedia information retrieval system application. So basically anything that has image and video in there and you want to retrieve something from there, that can be a multimedia information retrieval system. So or anything that has a video and images, thousand of them in there, so it is a multimedia information retrieval system. In this case, basically difficult, and in this case basically retrieval is a problem. When you got 2000 image in your gallery of your handphone, retrieval of images is a problem. Can you do this on your gallery handphone? Structure SQL thing? Structure SQL. Not employee table here. So this is SQL structure, okay? Where you have, this is in the company, basically. I want to find an employee. So I'm going to use this SQL, okay? Employee, a table employee, and name, and got a photo there. I see, I think, find me employee, name certain, that it's live in Penang from the database. Okay. Can you use this for handphone gallery? Anyone? Can we use SQL for our gallery at handphone? Yes or no? No, huh? So that's a retrieval problem. It's simply because images is unstructured, and what you got the database is very structured way. So image is abstract value. Image is different from what you have is structure SQL. So basically it's simply because this is what we see and this is what the computer see. Computer just see only numbers here. When we see here, we see many things. I see 3 dogs. It could be female. I think this is 1 year, one years old, both of them. I think adik-beradik ni kot, okay. And I see the face quite happy, okay. I think after got their food, they're happy. So you can have a lot of story there, okay. Now if I just put just stop this, okay. And what you can see here, it's not a computer see like this, but what you can tell from here, you cannot. I just see number 10. Okay, I just see number 94. I just see 49. I just see 16, 34, 66. This seems a lot of number. How many numbers there? You can count. 1, 2, 3, 20 by 20. So it's about 400 number here. And what does it number mean? I don't know. What does it tell you? I don't know. It tell you numbers. Okay, what numbers do you want? 35. Yes, I got 35 here. Okay, what else number do you want? 27. Let me see. I got 27 here. Okay, that's it. You can say. But compared to this one, okay, compared to this one, it's a lot. But basically, this number mean this one. Okay, this number mean 3 dogs. This number mean 3 female dog. This number mean 1 years old dogs. This number mean a female dogs. This number mean you got a field, football field, and so on. This number mean you got a very happy face of the dog. All right, that's a retrieval problem. So how are you gonna retrieve from here? Okay, so how do you gonna retrieve the dogs from here? So that's a retrieval problem, and basically the retrieval problem is we are involving certain value attributes such as faces, voice, graphic. Okay, we want to identify this, and the more details getting value attribute is retrieval problem. What data to represent, how to extract similarity, and in this case, what is data, what does it represent, what does it mean? Okay, at the low level, and this is mean something about face, about object and things. So that's a retrieval problem. Okay, so I think for today I need you to understand the concept of retrieval problem. Okay, the first of thing, you're going to understand what is the multimedia information retrieval system. What is this course is very important to you. The name is multimedia information retrieval system. Why it is important to you? Okay, and what is a retrieval problem? That's two things I want you to understand. Okay, two things. What is a retrieval problem, and roughly you know what is the multimedia information retrieval system or multimedia system or any related name there. The second one is a retrieval problem. If I ask you what is a retrieval problem, you must be able to describe it. So retrieval problem is the main problem of multimedia system, image-based system, any system that has images and video. So retrieval is the problem. So you must be able to explain the problem. What is the retrieval problem? Okay, I think I'm going to stop there.